What's that? What's the 6?
Not a 6, it's a B.
What if I told you that you can learn to read Russian by simply watching other people struggle with it?
We'll start with the easy words.
That looks not so difficult.
It's not so hard, right?
Kısır.
Tro.
Metro.
Kasmos.
Oh my god, what was the H again?
How do you know where to stress the syllable?
Sane. Red.
Stretching my neurons.
Rut. What?
We're gonna move on to the letters that look different from Latin. They have a familiar sound though.
The B.
The B.
The B.
Okay, so it's the B.
B.
Banan.
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 Banan. Banan.
Banana.
Banan. Banan.
Oh, banana.
Banan.
Banan.
Boktos. Boktos. Botonna.
Boston.
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 Let me give you a hint. Yeah. It's the capital of Massachusetts.
Boston.
Boston.
The city?
Correct.
Boston.
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 Brat.
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 Brat. Brat.
Brat.
What is that?
Bruda.
Exactly. Brat. Bruder.
Brother. Okay, brother.
Bruder.
Okay,
Brat.
brother.
Brother.
Brat.
Brat. Do you remember this one?
No, I don't know.
This is a D.
D? Ah, okay.
Doktor.
Doctor.
Doctor.
Perfect.
Doctor.
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 Yeah. London.
London.
Don.
London.
Ah, London.
London.
Ah, London.
London.
London because the first O is stressed, right? London.
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 Perfect.
It almost sounds like English.
Yes.
Yeah, London.
Because it's
English.
Radio.
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 Perfect.
Radio. Radio. Radio.
Radio.
Ah, okay. Radio.
Radio.
Kanalo.
That's a D.
Oh yeah.
Canada.
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 Canada. Canada.
Canada.
Canada.
Canada. Now, do you remember this one?
The G.
G.
Yeah. Guitarra.
Guitarra.
Perfect.
Guitarra.
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 Guitarra. Guitarra.
Tigre.
Oh, tigre.
Tiger.
Tigre. Tigre.
Is this tiger?
Yes.
Ah, okay.
Tiger.
Tigre. Tigre.
Tig.
Tigre.
Tiger.
Tiger.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Signal.
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 Storm is coming.
Yes. We're in the Netherlands now.
Signal.
Signal. Signal.
Signal.
Signal. Okay. It's
Signal.
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 Okay, the 3.
The Z.
Correct.
Yeah, I like this
Okay.
one.
Zebra.
Zebra.
Yeah, zebra.
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 Zebra. Ah,
Zebra.
Ah,
Zebra.
okay.
Uh-huh.
Zebra.
Vaza.
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 Vaza is
Eine Vase auf Deutsch. Aha.
vase.
Present? No.
President.
Ah, president.
President. President.
Президент.
Ah,
Очень хорошо.
President.
Президент.
President.
Президент.
President.
President.
Президент.
President.
Президент.
It looks like a tennis ball with a line in it.
Yeah, let's stress this one right.
Oh, photo.
Фото.
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 Photo.
Фото.
Фраза.
Фраза.
Frazа. A phrase? A sentence?
Phrase.
Ah, okay.
Frasa.
Фраза. Perfect.
Phrase.
Celetov. Cenetov. Ton.
Telephone.
Телефон.
Telephone.
Телефон.
Телефон.
Ah, okay.
Телефон. Телефон.
Телефон.
Microphone.
Микрофон.
Microphone.
Микрофон.
Микрофон.
Ah, микрофон.
Microphone. Microphone.
Microphone.
Microphone. Even though there's an O, it sounds almost like an R. Microphone.
Okay. Just for fun.
Microphone.
Microphone.
Je. Ah, okay.
Je.
Ah, je. Giraffe.
Giraffe. Ah, giraffe.
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 Perfect.
Giraffe.
Giraffe?
Giraffe.
Giraffe. Ah,
Giraffe.
okay.
Giraffe.
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 Genre.
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 Ah,
Genre.
Genre.
As like genre.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Gir. Jour. Journa.
Okay. Journalist.
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 Is that a D? No, I keep thinking
No.
that's a D. It's an L. It's an L. Journalist.
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 Jeune.
Jena.
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 Jeune. What is
Jena.
jeune?
Jena is a wife.
Ah, okay.
Jena.
Vrouw. Woman. Yeah.
Wife.
Wife.
Yes.
Okay.
But it's interesting that in some Slavic languages, Jena is actually a woman.
Yes. Yes.
So, but
Yes.
not in Russian.
Not in
Jena
Russian.
is a wife. The flipped N with a hat is similar sound to Y in boy.
Boycott.
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 Uh-huh.
Boycott.
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 You gotta sound a little angry.
Boycott.
Not that angry.
Boycott.
Boycott.
Ah, boycott.
Boycott.
Muzej.
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 Musée.
Muzej.
Musée.
Muzej.
Museum.
This is a G.
Yeah.
G.
Ah.
And this is a Y.
Yeah.
Oh, yoga.
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 Ah, okay. Yoga.
Yoga. Uh-huh.
Yoga.
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 Perfect.
Geroi.
Герой.
Geroi.
Герой.
Geroi. What is geroi?
Герой.
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 Geroi.
Герой.
I don't understand this one.
Guerra? Or war?
No. Герой.
Geroi.
What does it sound like?
Oh, a hero.
Hero.
Oh, okay.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay.
Hero.
Oh, okay. I wouldn't have guessed that.
Hero.
Hero.
Oh, okay, I got it. Yeah.
In Russian, a borrowed word that starts with an H is often written with a G. For instance, Hawaii. What do you think Hawaii is in Russian?
Gawai.
Gavai.
Gawai.
Gavai. This one, do you remember?
S.
K.
Yeah, this is like in Greek. House.
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 House. Is it
House.
chaos? Oh,
Uh-huh.
okay.
This is a sport which is very popular in
Oh, is it soccer?
Canada.
Hockey or hockey.
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 Hockey. Canada. Cold. What do they play
Hockey.
there?
Hockey.
Hockey. Ah, hockey.
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 Uh-huh. Hockey.
Hockey.
Mechans.
Mexicana.
Mm.
Is it mechanic?
Mechanic.
Mechanic.
Ah, mechanic.
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 Z.
T. 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 It's like TNS. T.
Ah,
T. T. The first word is the word for a very famous dish from Italy.
Oh, this is my word. Pizza.
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 But you pronounce it perfectly. As if you were Italian or from Napoli.
Pizza.
Pizza.
Ah. Center.
Centro.
Center.
Centro.
Center.
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 Cent.
Center. Center.
Center.
Center.
Center.
Center.
Center.
Center.
Oh, it's like a little schwab between the T and the L. Center.
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 There's,
No schwab.
there isn't no schwa.
No. Okay.
Oh, the deck chair. What were you?
Medicina.
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 Very good.
Medicina.
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 Perfect,
So
you-
the deck chair is a D. Deck
Correct.
chair starts with a D. That's how I'm going to remember it. Ch.
Ch. The international word for tea. In English, it's tea, but in many languages, this drink is called
Chai.
chai.
Chai is tea.
Tea.
Tea,
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, also in Greek, tsai.
Tsai.
Yes.
차?
Chai.
차이.
Chai.
okay.
So this is a ch.
찬.
Chai.
차이. okay.
Ch.
Yeah.
Chai.
Chai.
챔피언.
Champignon. Is it either a mushroom or a champion?
Champion. Sorry, champion.
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 챔피언.
Champion.
아, 챔피언.
Champion.
Right, okay.
Champion.
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 치카로?
Chicalo? No.
아, 치카고.
Chicago.
Oh, okay.
Chicago.
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 Chicado.
Chicago.
Oh, of course. Chicado. Oi.
Oh yeah, this was also really nice. The sh.
초콜란.
But you say it with like in German almost that sound.
Chocolate.
Correct.
So
we pronounce it as
Chocolate.
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 초콜라드.
Chocolate.
아, 초콜라드.
Chocolate. Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Perfect.
슈리 옷.
Shari. I can't remember what the tennis ball is. Shireen something.
What is it? Schrift?
Schrift.
Schrift.
Like in German. Schrift. It comes from.
Schrift. No, you have Schrift.
Yes.
Wow.
It's like a font. Like when you write.
Okay.
Schrift.
Sharif.
It's a f. Schrift.
Sharif.
This is easy. Szkola.
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 Szkola. Perfect.
Szkola.
콜라.
Szkola.
콜라.
School?
School.
Schule. School.
School.
심란제. 무감.
Shh. And the table was a P.
Chimpanzee.
It's an animal.
Chimpanzee.
Chimpanzee.
Chimpanzee. Chimpanzee.
Chimpanzee.
심판제.
Chimpanzee. Chimpanzee. Chimpanzee.
Chimpanzee.
Chimpanzee.
Okay.
Sehr gut.
Finnish.
Finnish.
Someone from Finland?
It's
Finnish.
what you reach when you run a marathon.
Really?
Finnish.
Oh, I'm surprised you
The
used that.
finish
in-
line.
Yeah, I'm just surprised you used that in Russian. Because Finnish. Okay.
Finnish.
It's euro sign backwards almost.
Correct.
Okay. Okay.
3.
It almost looks like a 3, but it's a euro sign backwards.
Examen.
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 Which
Exam.
is correct.
Poet. Poet.
Poet.
아, poet.
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 Poet. What's
Poet.
that? A poet?
Poet.
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 So when O and E meet, it's like ah.
It's not stressed.
Yeah.
The O is not stressed.
Yeah.
So it's poet.
A poet.
Poet. So it almost sounds like an R. Poet.
Experiment.
Experiment. Experiment.
Experiment.
Experiment.
Experiment.
Experiment.
Experiment.
Experiment.
Ah, okay.
Very good. Experiment.
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 This letter is the word for I in Russian.
R. G. G. R.
Yes, I love this one. I love it.
Why do you love it?
Because it's in Arab but backwards.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. What was it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you know what that means in Russian?
Me? I?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Correct.
Teoria.
Теория.
Ah, teoria.
Теория.
Ah.
Really good.
Teoria.
Теория.
Teoria.
Теория.
Teoria.
Теория.
Teoria.
Теория.
Teoria. Theory.
Теория.
Teoria.
Полиция.
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 Policia.
Полиция. Полиция.
Полиция.
Полиция.
Is it police? Oh, okay.
Ports. Port.
Remember the 3 is
Z.
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 Позиция. Wow.
Okay.
Позиция.
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 Mm-hmm.
What was it?
You.
You.
Humor.
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 Ah, humor.
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 Shima?
Correct.
Humor.
Jurist.
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 What do you think that is?
Lawyer.
Lawyer.
Oh, okay.
Very good.
Ja, ein Jurist auf Deutsch, auf Englisch.
Lawyer.
Lawyer.
In German, it's Juristen. Yeah.
Exactly.
Soyuz.
Sayus.
Soyuz. I already heard this, but I have no idea what it means.
Sayus.
Sayus. That's
Sayus.
a lot of vowel sounds. Sayus.
Sayus is
Sayus.
the unit or. Wait, 1 second.
Cat.
Do I have something in my face? Because
Oh.
it's just like.
But no, on your face, no.
Okay, crazy.
So, this? So, use.
Sayus.
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 Are ya, you, yo always stressed? Like ya and you? They're also.
Yo is stressed.
Yo always and you and ya not? Not always.
No, not
Okay.
always.